Hi, I'm Sarah Gazi, CEO of the Association of Lodging Professionals. Today I am going to visit one of our ALP member properties, and I am taking you with me. Let's go. So I'm here. I've made it to the Sandcastle Bed and Breakfast in Barnegat Light, New Jersey at the beautiful New Jersey shore. So let's go in and see what we see. All right, everybody, I am here with Audrey Cavaco. She is the owner, one of the owners, along with her husband, Brian, of the beautiful Sandcastle Bed and Breakfast. And show me around.
I will. Let's
All
go.
right, let's do it.
So at any given morning, Jaya has all, right now she's doing tea time. She has all the fruit set up over there. She's making tea time. We did breakfast fajitas this morning and blueberry pancakes, and we had 3 gluten-free people, so we did both. We did gluten-free fajitas and also gluten-free pancakes. So we have some regular muffins, if you want a regular muffin, or if you want a gluten-free, and some fresh strawberries, which everybody told us are great. So on my days, the days my chef has off, she has me prepared. So she has made her recipe, snowball cookies and oatmeal raisins, so I just defrost it and cook the cookies.
This is the common area.
I have a lot of books that I buy from the locals, and it's all about LBI, with local colors along the island, 6 miles at sea. Somebody wrote a book about cooking on Long Island, and she was a photographer, so she took all her pictures. So it's a gorgeous book to just sit and look at. And then the beach benches on
Oh
Beach
gosh,
Island.
I know.
And then this is where everybody eats breakfast. Unless they want room service.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
There's the lighthouse.
So this, we offer breakfast service at 8:15 and 9:15. And then we also have soda in there again for the guests who don't have a suite. We have a tea sticker for tea, 24/7 coffee.
And a great view.
So there are mornings when we have almost all room services, and there are mornings where we have everybody wanting to eat in here, so it just depends on the crowd. All my rooms have themes. They have a nice sitting area. They all have mini refrigerators and microwaves, and we leave plastic for by the pool, glass for in here, silverware. And then our bathrooms have all the amenities. So in their drawer they have an extra set of sheets, extra toilet paper, extra tissues. We are at the beach, so we put dish soap. After COVID, some guests choose to do towel exchange, so this is their towel exchange bag if they don't want us to come in and refresh their room. But if they want us to refresh their room, we'll go in. This is my premium suite.
Oh wow.
I love this one. So they get, and this is where I partnered with How You Brewin', the local coffee shop. So they get a Keurig stocked with that.
What is up the stairs?
Oh, the stairs.
Oh boy. Oh my gosh.
It's nice, right?
Oh wow. This is so adorable.
So like I said, this is my premium suite.
And a beautiful view of Barnegat Lighthouse.
Yes.
I'm going to the roof. Wow. So this rooftop deck is where you do your weddings.
Yes.
Can you tell me about that?
So we have an elopement package. You get a room for 2 nights. You get a wedding cake, 7-inch wedding cake, flowers. I deal with all local people. Champagne toast or a sparkling cider. And then you get me or Stacy for 2 hours to run around with you and keep everything organized.
And do you have a lot of elopements booked for this year?
I have one at the end, and last year I had 2. So
Okay.
yeah, we'll see. We might change their mind.
Hey, it's a beautiful venue up here on the rooftop deck to have a wedding, that's for sure.
Yeah, it is.
That's amazing. Definitely a unique venue.
Yeah, and the picture on my website was from October 13th of last year. That was the bride at sunset. So,
Oh,
yeah.
sure, it's amazing.
This is the view. And come, let me show you our fitness center.
Not so shabby.
All in day's work.